What's good, people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content, all the videos, everything. And let's get straight into this one. So I really don't like doing these videos, but I thought, you know what, I'll do it anyway, because why not? So when I mean these videos, I mean boxes like this that say this item has been repackaged in recyclable, frustration free packaging because the original box was damaged in transit. So in other words, this is not the original box. It's not got any information on it that helps us with style code, anything like that. So we just have to get straight into it. Boom. So here we have a pair of PUMA RS, I have to check, RSZs. And so we'll start off with the bottom, and we got that standard PUMA RS sole with the little yellow bit here. The rest is all black. Midsole plain white. We've got a yellow tab here and a black one on the heel. On the heel we've got another leather tab that says RS, so that's running system. Then we've got this, I never remember the name of this material, nylon type material, and then the PUMA swoosh on top, like in little stickers. Then we've got leather on the side, leather that, so it goes under, it wraps all the way around to the other side. We've got this teal type of color, this type of a bluish greenish color. It looks slightly different on the camera, if I'm honest. So yeah, we've got this teal color. It's more of a teal than what it looks like on the camera. Then we've got neoprene at the top that goes around, and then on the back we've got neoprene again. And then we've got like a yellow pull tab with the little yellow bits on the sides. And on the inside it's exactly the same as the other side. Toe box, we've got that mesh in a grey with little yellow tabs on either side. Then we've got grey laces, the same mesh as on the toe box on the tongue. And then the RS running system with a bit of yellow, a bit of grey and black, and that is actually on a leather tab, so I like that. And yeah, I really do like this colorway. It's different, but it's nice. Like, it's loud but quiet at the same time, because it's got a lot of greys, whites and black, and then it's just got little bits of yellow and then little bits of this teal color. I really do like this colorway actually. I think it'll look good on a black tracksuit, on a grey tracksuit. It just bangs. But yeah, let me know what you think about this, people, and let me know what you think about them. If tell me if you want them, if you like them, if you hate them, if you rate them. Let me know. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Take care, my people.